as an extra little video for you beautiful peeps, we decided to race the ZD Racing EX07 driven by Colin. What are we doing? We have the JLB Cheetah driven by Sebastian. Big crash. And then we have the WL Toys 124018. I think I may lose. Let's see how we get on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, take your starting positions. We will go on go from 3, 2, 1, and then I will say go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Fast. I want that.
Colin crashed!
Fast. I somehow managed to win that.
Colin crashed! Right, Colin. Who was the first one to smash this car up? Oh, what speed do you think you were doing?
No idea.
Should we say 12?
Yeah.
It was only doing 12, so there was not too much damage, thank God. It was just that damage. How lucky are you?
Really lucky.
And the surprise winner is Sebastian! Congratulations! We'll have one more go on the way up. Okay, ladies and gents, this is the second race. Will Colin crash out? Will Sebastian win again? Or will it be the mighty WL Toys 124018? I can't even finish that. Are we ready?
Yep.
No.
3, 2, 1, go! That looked pretty close!
I won that.
Okay, this is now the third race and the decider. Will Colin win? Will Seb win? Will John win? Let's find out. Ready, gentlemen?
No.
3, 2, 1, go! Well, ladies and gents, turns out that wasn't close at all, was it? He kept on winning for some reason. I don't know why, even with a crash. No, actually Sebastian won the first one, but that's because he was in the hedge, let's be honest. This car was consistently slow, but it's still a great car. It didn't actually go that slowly, really. I don't know, what was the result? Was it close?
What one?
My one. Or was it like 20 minutes before I crossed the line?
About that, yeah.
Thank you, darling. You couldn't have said that I was like that close.
The last run, yeah.
She's lying, of course, but thank you, darling. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.